Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can log in into your mobile banking account of HSBC account. So before we get started, make sure that you've already downloaded or installed the application. So there is one condition while downloading or installing the application. So then you must install the application according to your region. For example, if you're residing on USA, so then you'll have to download the application. So that is HSBC US. So this is similar for rest of the country. So you'll have to download it according to the region. So after you have installed it, all you have to do is tap on it. On the other page, there is an agreement. So make sure to go through it all. So once you've gone through it, so then tap on I agree to above license and then tap on continue. So once again, on the other page, there are terms and conditions. So make sure to go through it all and do the same process, that is tap on I agree to terms and conditions and then tap on continue. So on the other page, you'll have to enter a username that is associated with the HSBC account, and once you've done so, then tap on continue, and on the other page you'll have to enter your password. If the provided information is correct, on the other page you will successfully log in into your mobile banking account of HSBC account. So that is how you can log in into your mobile banking account. So that's it for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.